Shout outs go to Omnea's Wish, Hafina and Helen Evans. Thank you for your kind comments, ladies. And if you'd like a shout out on my next video, leave a rainbow emoji after your comment. Hi, welcome back to a new video. We're going to do a gel polish set, and I've popped some tips on my stand. I'm going to go in with 2 coats of Modelones 60 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a really nice mellow yellow. So I will show you the first coat and then I do the second coat off camera. And I've had to speed this up a little bit because yeah, it took quite a while. And I've got people talking in the background distracting me, so I was doing a lot of faffing. But let's get on with it. Right, they've had 2 coats now, both cured. I'm going to go in with those 2 that I've just taken off the stand and do some of the Glitter Planet foil mate on there, because as you can see in the background we've got a couple of pieces of foil to pop on. So you need a thin coat of this stuff, and then it goes in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to leave it to stand for 60 seconds. I've got some matte top coat out from Premier Gel, and we're going to matte top coat the other 3 in the meantime, and then pop those in the lamp as well. Then hopefully by the time these are done, we'll have done the other ones. Okay, I've done one of them off camera, and then I'll just show you me doing this one. So as I said before, it cures for 60 seconds and then we leave it to stand for 60 seconds, which makes it extra tacky, and you usually have no problem completely covering a nail with the foil then. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully we're off to the next bit. Yep, then we're going to go in with top coat on both of these. It's alright, I'm doing a voiceover and I did this whatever day last week. I forgot what I did. So yeah, they both get top coated and put into the lamp. Right, next up, after I've got those out, yep, we're going to go back to the 3 that have been matte top coated now, and I'm going to go in with some alcohol inks. I was going to use the green and yellow pens and do it that way, and then I thought no, I'm going to be lazy and get the alcohol inks straight out. And I thought, right, I'm going to use an orange, I'm going to use a yellow and a green. All I do with these is I literally just blob it on in different places. You want to wait. I always find you need to wait for them to dry a little bit. Once you've waited for them to dry a little bit, otherwise they tend to sort of like merge together, which some parts did, and you'll see when they merge together, because then they change colour. So when you see like the green hit some of the other colours, you'll get like darker patches, but I've dispersed them in a second. I'm going to get some alcohol out and put it in my little dish and just use a little detail brush. I changed my brush because that one was naff. Swapped it over to my new brush. And what you can do just to get rid of those bits of dark patches where they've met the 2 colours is just put some alcohol in between, and as you can see they start disappearing. and then the colours merge together. But it makes quite a nice background if you're doing something. It also makes a nice background if you're stamping on it as well. And those alcohol inks I've made myself. They are literally just isopropyl alcohol in the bottle, and then I've taken the inside out of some of those permanent markers and I've chopped them up and put them in the bottle, and that's it. And then I left them to stand for sort of like a couple of weeks and then started using them, and this is what happens. But I'll leave you to watch this, and the next stage after this is I need to wait for them to dry completely, which only takes a few minutes, and then I will top coat them. Right, I've got Modelones Edelweiss out, which is their white, and popped it on a little palette. This middle finger is done because that took me a while to do, so I thought I'd do that one off camera and get that one over and done with. That's just been top coated again and put back in the lamp. Right, we're going to do the pinky next and then the thumb after. I'm going to do the same pattern on both but do it in the opposite directions. So we're just going to take the detail brush and just do like a simple, I wouldn't even call it a swirl, just an arc, but then you almost put like a leaf on the end of it, so a bit like a hook, if you know what I mean. But we're going to do 3 that way, and then we'll do some the other way, all meeting at the same point towards the bottom of the nail, and then we'll go in with a dotting tool and put a few dots on there, but you'll see what I do anyway as I do it. And then we do the same on the thumb. So you can cure this in between, which I have done. Because what you don't want to do is make a mistake and then think, ah, if I wipe it off, I've got to wipe it all off. So, but I will leave you to watch it, and then these will get top coated. Okay, same again the other way. So this is the thumb, we're going to go in the opposite direction, so we do 3 one way and then 3 the other, and then just go in with the dotting tool and just pop a few dots in there. It's just a simple pattern, but just makes the nail look a little bit more pretty. And we'll do the same with this. We will pop it in. See, now I make a mistake here and then think, oh, that dot's too big, so off it comes. Those are micro buds, you can get them on Amazon and eBay. They're quite cheap but very handy if you want to take off, like there, that dot was so tiny, so they're definitely worth buying. And we'll pop that in the lamp to cure, and we will top coat it, and then that is the set finished, and I will show you. Don't forget to leave a rainbow emoji, guys, if you want a shout out on my next video. Also, guys, can I ask you to go over to a YouTube channel called Mama Bear's Nails, please? She's just started her channel and she could do with some support, and she will be having a giveaway as well. So yeah, always worth going over there. She's new to YouTube and it would be lovely if you could support her too. Okay, I will leave her link down below pinned in the comments. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.